Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is my first video, and in this channel I would like to share my English learning journey with you all guys. I know how difficult it could be to speak in English, but hold on, I'm here to say you that it can be possible with your hard work and strong determination. Let me tell you about myself. I grew up in a village, a typical Indian village, and you all know that it is how much it is difficult for a boy to speak in English, and I overcome all the difficulties coming right in front of me as an obstacle while speaking in English. Guys, here are some tips and tricks which helps me out in this process, and I know this might also work for you as well. Tip number 1: speak English every day. Guys, I made a conscious effort to speak in English every day. Every day means literally every single day. It might be for half an hour, it might be for 10 minutes or 5 minutes or simply 2 minutes. But you'll be surprised how it worked for me. And the result is here. I'm speaking English right in front of you. Guys, this might also help you as well, and just speak in English whenever you got time if you really want to speak in English. The tip number 2 I would like to say here: watch English content with their subtitle. Guys, I started watching movies and TV series with their subtitle, but gradually I developed myself and my understanding power, my listening power, and I removed the subtitle and watched them without their subtitle. And guys, this also improved my understanding power and listening power, and this might also help you as well. Guys, the third tips I would like to recommend here is read out loud. Guys, it really helped me remarkably. Guys, when I started reading aloud, it not only improved my pronunciations but also helps me to develop my vocabulary skill. So that's the story of my English learning. Remember, learning a new language needs your time, effort, and patience, but it definitely worth it. I hope this video has been helpful for you. I look forward to share more of my English learning journey with you all. This is all for today. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Keep supporting.